What's up, guys? This is Roughneck Actual, and you have reached the Roughnecks Ecom channel. If you want to learn how to make money online or offline, then you need to be right here. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. I'm also an honorably discharged Air Force veteran. Graduated from Penn State and started a career as a software engineer and leveraged that to build my businesses. If you guys have any questions on how to make money, you're going to find all your answers right here, so stay tuned.
All right, guys, so modeling agency automation is here. All right, so throughout this, we're gonna be dropping screeny shots like right here of payments that have gone out to clients. And I wish I had done this much sooner. Out of all the automation things that I have, this is like the most carefree in the world. I mean, and I mean that wholeheartedly. Now, real estate automation is coming the beginning of the year, and that's gonna be very carefree. So if you guys have ever wanted to invest in real estate, but don't know what to do, don't have the team to find it, rehab it, rent it, and manage it, we got you covered. And it's probably gonna be my cheapest fee ever. All right, so stay tuned for that. But modeling agency automation, because this is what this video is all about. It's freaking fantastic. No risk of suspensions, no buying extra products, no buying software, no none of this stuff. Like honestly, I keep saying I wish I had done this much sooner. If you guys have been following me on Instagram and all that, click the link below. You will see how wild this has been. All right, so the whole premise is, you guys know I have an agency and a modeling agency of sorts. And you know, what we do is sell content, and it's very, very lucrative, very lucrative. I love it, and the talent in the agency loves it as well. So what is happening is the clients of ours who invest in modeling agency automation, they get 5 talent, and they get 10% of everything that they make. So imagine that, you know, grand total for the month, your 5 talents make $45,000. You're making a $4,500 check for doing absolutely nothing. So, you know, if you saw those screenshots, that's pretty much what's happening with our clients now. The payments are just absurd. Even the prorated payments, because if they come in very late in the month, obviously they're not going to get a full payout. But the prorated payments of like $700, $800, whatever, they're still much higher than other things like YouTube automation. Okay, so I mean, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of testimonials from the clients, because this is something that I wholeheartedly think like no one else is going to be doing, because number one, you have to have an agency, you have to have one at scale to be able to pull this off. So there's that. And number two, you have to know a bit about automation as a whole on how to make the processes work, but nobody's going to be doing this for a while. And if they do try to copy it, they ain't gonna be able to pull it off. So we are the only game in town to make this happen. And you know, the reason being that I feel that this is such a good move is because I've been in the automation space for so long. You know, between Shopify and Facebook and obviously Amazon, there's a lot of pitfalls, right? And I still believe that as far as e-commerce goes, Amazon is the way to go, right? It's the platform that is the most mature. It is the one that's been around the longest, and it is not going anywhere. It's only getting bigger. So if you're getting into e-commerce automation, Amazon, 100%. But if you're just looking to make more passive income, like cash flow wise, this is it. I mean, there's just no other place where I can think of that you can put in X amount of tens of thousands of dollars and start seeing, you know, like a 10% return on that money, like the very next month. I mean, it's absurd. You know, I mean, it's wild. I mean, you guys just click the link below and check it out. But you know, this is something that, you know, we've had brewing for a while. I mean, obviously we have clients, and it's something that we've talked about on social media, but never really put a video out because, you know, been busy, guys. Been busy trying to make sure the clients are good and running the agency and doing all these different things. But you know, I feel that this is it, man. I've created something that no one else does in this space, you know, so it feels good. I'm tooting my own horn, toot, toot, where nobody else is doing this. There's nobody else doing modeling agency automation, and anyone who does, they're definitely coming after us, and I don't think they're gonna be able to do it to the same level. The same way that, you know, Tommy, you know, my friend T-Rod was a progenitor of Amazon automation. He is the Godfather, and I wanna give my man his flowers. You know, congrats on selling the company to Cody and Ron. You know, you deserve it. You know, hats off to you, good sir. And, you know, whether you agree with his practices or not, they're irrelevant. You know, he paved the way for a lot of us to do it. And, you know, I appreciate, you know, him being, you know, the front runner and setting things up. And then obviously me being able to start my company and you know, build things out and make it my own. Even though, you know, we were competitors, you know, I was able to do my own thing, you know, make money in the space and, you know, get to live out a dream essentially. So with modeling agency automation, it's going to be a while. I am the progenitor and it feels good. It feels really good to have come up with something that's good for clients, that I feel is going to be a massive, you know, boom in the industry. And, you know, to get something out there that, you know, others can kind of follow that path and potentially do something of their own, you know, in the future where they can make their clients money in the same breath and not get them suspended, not have, you know, software costs or product costs or any of that stuff. So again, you know, I'm so amazed that it took me so long to actually do this. You know, I wish I'd have done this sooner, but obviously, you know, we didn't have the agency capacity and all that. So, but yeah, guys, it's here. It's here. It's ready. You know, money's being made. A whole lot of money's being made. You know, so it'll probably be something that we keep fairly limited. I don't want to have near as many clients for this as I do for, you know, for Amazon automation, because with Amazon it's a little bit different. You know, that's a platform as a whole, you know, so you can have almost unlimited amount of people on that. But when it comes to this, is the agency size is the limiting factor, and we don't want to grow too many clients to impact the agency. So this right here, you know, it's going well. You know, the beginning of the year, we'll probably make some changes as far as pricing goes. So if you guys aren't in by New Year's, you're gonna miss out on the price. You guys, you know, if you've been following me on social media, we had the beta trials. Beta pricing was obviously really, really good. You know, pretty much anyone who was in the alpha and beta trials, you know, the alpha trials, they've all made their money back within, you know, like 6 months. You know, the beta trials, they'll make all theirs back within 12 to 14. And, you know, these guys will probably make all their money back within 18, like the normal guys at this point, around 18 to 20 months, you know, where it's cash flow, guys. Just absolute cash flow. I mean, I can't think of any other way to say it. So if you guys are interested, go ahead, click the link below. You know, we have a whole presentation to break out, you know, the numbers and what it looks like and everything else. Again, you know, you've probably already seen the screenshot, you know, somewhere in the video. You know, my guy's gonna put it in there. You know, I'll send him a screenshot and everything to do that. But, you know, guys, it's here, it's live, it's good. You know, you guys know I don't like implementing anything that I don't feel is worthwhile, that hasn't been tested. And this has been thoroughly tested. It's good. I mean, you guys are making stupid money. Like, I'm happy because the clients are making stupid money with this. Like, that's why. You know, it feels good to not have clients be at risk and be able to make the same level of money, if not more, you know, than Amazon. Obviously, there's a higher price point, but you know, this is good. So, yeah, it's going to be a big thing moving forward in 2023. Real estate automation is coming as well in 2023, the beginning of the year. So we're going to do a video on that, drop that, and kind of explain what that's all about. But, you know, hopefully I'll be seeing you guys in the modeling agency automation program. You know, so peace out.